Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to launch websites like apps on PC. If you want quick access to your favorite websites without opening a browser tab first, you can launch websites like apps on your PC by installing them as web apps. This creates a desktop shortcut and opens the site in its own window for a cleaner app like experience. So, for example, I've installed this Twitch app on my computer, so I can just open it because I've pinned it to my taskbar. So I can just open it anytime and use its own window without opening any browser. So to start, let's install a website as an app in Google Chrome. So Chrome also supports creating app-like shortcuts for websites. So to start, open Google Chrome, then go to the website you want to use as an app. For example, Google Drive. So let's search Google Drive. Then from here, what you need to do is go to the address bar or the search bar, then you should see install button right here. So click that and click on install and it will be installed right away. Another thing you can do is to click the three dots in the top right corner. Then just scroll down and look for cast, save, and share. From the options, look for install Google Drive. Then just click that. Then click install to confirm the action. Then the site will launch in its own window instead of a regular browser tab. Now, to pin a website to the taskbar or start menu, so open the website, then click the three dot menu, then go to more tools if it's available, then choose pin to taskbar or pin to start. Now, if you can find it, you can just go to the taskbar, then right click on that app, then just click pin to taskbar. And that's it. And you can also install website as an app in Microsoft Edge. So open Microsoft Edge, then just search for the website you want to install as an app. For example, LinkedIn. Then from here, so you can click the three dots in the top right, then go to more tools, then go to apps, then click install this site as an app. So click that. You can rename it, then click install to confirm the action, and it will be installed just like in Google Chrome. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.